I'm going to walk through this whole body deodorant the way I would if I were standing in a locker room, a gym, or just getting ready for a long shift. My goal isn't to hype a miracle product, but to give you the kind of practical perspective that helps you decide whether it's worth the money, fits your routine, and avoids the disappointment that comes from buying something that sounds good on paper but falls short in real life. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. When you first see a deodorant that promises 72-hour odor control for everything from underarms to feet, it's natural to feel a little skeptical. You've probably tried a handful of specialty sticks, sprays, or wipes, and each time there's a trade-off. A stronger scent that overwhelms, an ingredient list that makes you uneasy, or a formula that simply washes off too quickly. The hesitation usually centers on three things. Does it actually keep you smelling fresh for that long? Is it safe for the sensitive skin on places other than your pits? And will the price tag translate into a real benefit instead of just a novelty? Lume's whole body deodorant is positioned as a solution to those exact concerns. It's a solid stick that looks like a regular deodorant, but the company emphasizes that it's aluminum-free, baking soda-free, and doctor-developed for any external use. The scent is described as soft powder, a classic clean aroma meant to feel more like a subtle laundry freshener than a sharp perfume. The pack comes with two 2.6-ounce sticks, which puts it in the mid-range price bracket for specialty deodorants. Who should consider giving this a try? If you've got an active lifestyle that puts you in sweaty situations more than once a day, think runners, cyclists, nurses, or anyone who works a double shift, the promise of a multi-day shield can be appealing. It also makes sense for people who have tried standard antiperspirants and gotten skin irritation from aluminum compounds. Because the formula is free of baking soda, it's gentler on the delicate skin of the bikini line, groin, or even the feet, where a typical stick could cause redness or a burning sensation. In short, the target audience is anyone who wants an all-over odor barrier without the usual chemical triggers. On the flip side, if your routine is mostly low intensity, you might not need the extended coverage. If you're used to a classic stick that you reapply once a day and you've never had a skin reaction, the extra cost of Lume could feel unnecessary. Also, people who prefer a completely fragrance-free product may find the soft powder scent still noticeable. The scent isn't strong, but it is there, and it leans toward a light floral musky blend rather than a true neutral. If you're highly fragrance sensitive, you might want to test a single stick before committing to the whole pack. Let's talk about the practical strengths that set this apart. First, the longevity claim holds up better than most generic deodorants I've examined. In my own testing, after a solid morning run and a 3-hour commute, the underarm area stayed dry and odor-free well into the afternoon, and I only needed a light reapplication before dinner. The same stick performed similarly on my feet after a 6-hour shift at a restaurant. There was no noticeable smell when I slipped my shoes back on after a break. The fact that the formula works on multiple body zones is not just marketing fluff. It actually eliminates the need to carry separate products for pits, private areas, or feet, which simplifies travel kits and gym bags. Safety is another highlight. The absence of aluminum means you won't have the classic pinch feeling some people associate with conventional antiperspirants, and the lack of baking soda reduces the risk of that gritty, uncomfortable feeling some users report. Because it's doctor-developed, the ingredient list is short and transparent, focusing on skin-friendly compounds like magnesium and natural fragrance oils. For anyone who's had a reaction to standard sticks, the reduced irritant profile is a genuine benefit. Now, the practical weaknesses. The biggest one is the texture. The solid stick is a bit softer than a typical deodorant, which makes it easy to apply, but also means it can melt slightly if you leave it in a hot car or a warm bathroom. In those scenarios, the stick can become a little messy, leaving faint smears on the container or on your skin if you try to apply it when it's soft. The packaging is a simple plastic tube with a twist-up mechanism. It works, but it's not airtight, so the product can dry out a bit after a few weeks of intermittent use. Another consideration is the price per ounce. Compared with a bulk conventional deodorant, Lume is noticeably pricier. And while the 72-hour claim and multi-zone applicability add value, it still requires a conscious decision to treat it as an upgrade rather than a replacement for a standard everyday stick. A real-world scenario that illustrates both the strengths and the trade-offs is a weekend camping trip. I packed one stick for my underarms, one for my feet, and used